everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I used this beast, Missu Beauty's Remover Jelly, my new best friend in the whole wide world. Absolutely amazing, and I will definitely be purchasing more of these. You can buy these on the website. You can buy one bottle for £8, or you can buy, there's like multiple choice options where you can buy more bottles than one, and you get some really good deals on them. So in this video I'm going to show you how I removed builder gel off my thumbnail. So not only did I remove my gel polish, but I also removed the builder gel from the nail, and then I've actually just reapplied the builder gel to my nail because I really just wanted to show you how to use this. It works on acrylic, gel polish and builder gel. So that is amazing. And then the other thing that I do then is I then apply this colour to my nail as well. And this is Missu Beauty's Glow Up 01. It's the limited edition gel polish on their website. It's not glow in the dark, but it's like sort of, well, you can see there how beautiful are those colours. So 2 videos will be going up today. One will be with Missu Beauty's products. The next video is a review video of some stamping nail art, but I will go into that in my other video that I'll be uploading. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I use this. So I will get on with the video. So here is the close-up of my new BFF. So to start off with, I applied it straight onto the nail, and it didn't really seem to work through the top coat that I had on. I don't know why, maybe I didn't put enough on, I'm not sure, but anyway, so I scraped it off. You can see it working there. I left it for 2 to 3 minutes and then I scraped it off, which, like I said, it didn't really do much. So what I did then is I filed off a little bit of my top coat. I just filed the nail and then I reapplied the remover jelly, and this time it worked a lot better. So I left it for 2 to 3 minutes and then I used my cuticle pusher to remove it, to scrape it off, and it worked like a dream. I was absolutely chuffed to bits with it. So I did have like I said, a layer of brush up builder gel on my nail. Actually, I had about 2 to 3 layers because my nails are quite long, so I didn't want them to break easily. So I had already put 2 to 3 layers of builder gel on this nail. So I applied the remover jelly maybe, I think, about another 3 times, because that layer of builder gel was quite thick, but it did come off, so I was really chuffed. So no longer do I have to sit for 15 to 20 minutes with my hands in acetone, or my fingernails, sorry, in acetone. It just came off really nicely. I did really like it. So all in all, I think I actually had to apply it 4 times. I think it was 4 times. I also used my hand file as well, just to get any excess bits off, because, you know, you have to. So this remover jelly is, it's £8 a bottle, or you can buy 3 bottles for £20 plus VAT. Or you can then buy 10 bottles for £60 plus VAT. So that works out, that is a bit of a bargain, I think. So yeah, so it's 17 mils, a 17 ml bottle. So you can see here, I'm just filing off any excess that I have there, and then I buff the rest off as well, just to make sure that I do have all of the gel off my nail. I give my nail a little file, just a reshape back into my ballerina coffin style shape. And then I go in with some base coat, because I'm just going back in and reapplying my builder gel to my nail. So then I apply my strengthener. So I cure both of these in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with a with my, Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Bear. And I apply 2 coats of this, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I just remove the tacky layer once it's cured, and then I go in with a hand file. So I will definitely be purchasing more bottles of this Missu Remover Jelly, guys, because it is absolutely amazing, and it totally is my new BFF for the rest of my life. I love it. So I'm just filing the surface of that nail now just to make sure that it's lovely and smooth. And then I go around the cuticle area with my e-file. Like I said, just make sure it's lovely and smooth, ready for my gel polish application. So here is the colour that I am using. It's Glow Up 01. It is a colour that is amazing. It's like a luminous. How beautiful is that? So I don't always use base coat when I'm working on gel nails or acrylic nails, because I don't feel that I need a base coat. You might feel that you do. It's up to you. So I just cure each coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm just going in with my second coat here. How shiny is that? It's totally amazing. And then I'm just going in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So then I decided to carry on with the rest of my nails once I'd filed off my previous design, and in this nail I decided to go in with both colours. So I've used Glow Up 1, I'm now using Glow Up 03. Look at that colour, oh my life. So I just do one side in Glow Up 1 and the next side in Glow Up 3, and then I go down the middle with a clean brush and just create the ombre effect. Beautiful. And I don't know what you think, guys, but it reminds me of fruit salad sweets. So it's kind of made me want some sweets now. So I'm going in with Glow Up 03 on my middle finger, just colouring that nail there with that beautiful colour. And then on my ring finger, I'm doing the ombre again, but I'm doing it back to front. So I'm getting my fruit salad look again. So I just give the brush a good wipe on some kitchen towel just to get the excess colour off. And then I go straight down the middle with that brush just to blend those two beautiful colours together. And then on the ring finger, no, that's not my ring finger, that's my little finger. I just go in with Glow Up 01. So then I cure those in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with the second coat in exactly the same way. I can't get enough of these colours together. I think they are just absolutely amazing. I'm so pleased that I got these two colours because I think they just go together absolutely stunningly. Oh man, I definitely need some fruit salad sweets now. So these gel polishes are on the website at the moment for £60 plus VAT. They are limited edition and you get 5 colours in that collection and they are amazing. Love them. So then I just cure that for 30 seconds and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat to protect those nails, and then in my next video I will do my little design on them, a little bit of stamping nail art, so don't forget to tune in for the second part of this video. So I just cure this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and then I apply some cuticle oil. And here is the final result. How amazing are those colours? Oh my goodness. Absolutely amazing. Love them to bits. Definitely reminding me of a fruit salad. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget, I do have another channel, Beautified Beauty Blogger, where I do unboxing videos and beauty haul videos and things like that. So I will leave you links to that. Also, don't forget, I do have a discount code for Missu Beauty, as always, Beautified10. I will leave links to everything that I've used in the description box below for you all to check them out. So thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.